Whee! That was a slippy slide. Hello everyone, welcome back to Vlogmas. As you know, there's a doggo here. My sister's here, she's come over with Willow, the Whippet. Last time you saw Willow the Whippet, she was just a Whippet, but since that time, my sister's found out she's actually an Azawaka as well. She thought she was getting a pure breed. She did not get a pure breed, she was a crossbreed. But anyway, hello. Feeling a little bit more awake today. Today's Vlogmas is going to be a little bit more exciting because I've got my sister Kate coming down too in a minute. Oh, I've got some hair dye there. I dyed my hair last night quite late. And we're just gonna have some fun, like catch up as sisters, and it's gonna be cute. My hair didn't really turn out as I wanted it to, by the way. It was supposed to be lighter down here. Kinda doesn't look it, does it? I don't really know what today will bring. Just chilling with the fam, really.
There's a big Father Christmas bag.
Do you wanna say hello? They've missed you.
Hello, my mean cornflakes.
I don't think I've showed your display yet though.
I was going to do it tomorrow.
Okay.
So I can light it all up.
Oh, you're right there, Willow.
I can do a bit of snow on it.
Okay.
My hands in it.
Oh my god. Okay. Come on.
It's not coming Christmas Day, is she?
I hope not. My laptop's down here as well. Oh, that's the little Santa Claus up here. God. So the lights aren't on yet, but this is my mum's lovely Christmas display. This is a big reindeer down here. Look at the lovely tree.
Paula recognised the thing, because that's what she bought.
That's what I always do.
Oh, yes. Oh, she probably did.
Yeah.
That was quite good, that. And it's real. Wow. Did you pick that one, Dad?
What's that?
The tree?
I did indeed.
Yeah.
Nice.
I went out with my ruler and measured them all. I said, can I measure
You
that now?
saw it down yourself?
No, I went to Are you allowed to advertise on there?
Yeah? Well, if you recommend them. It'd be a bit late now for anyone to get Christmas trees. The range? I didn't know they did trees.
Yeah, outside.
Well, maybe someone left it out.
Oh! Did you just nick it from someone's garden?
Do you know what I said at work the other day about you, Dad?
Have you got sausages around your neck?
Yeah, sausages.
Someone put up and she was like, oh, your dad didn't come in. And then another conversation came up.
No, stay away from my SD cards. Go away.
We're all on about two things that we like.
Have you seen this recently, Vic?
I remember Douglas Fir, don't you?
Is that going to set Willow off?
No, she just stare at him.
Well,
You ready? Stay back, Willow, you might.
Hi, I'm Douglas Fir. Up on the housetop, reindeer boys. Up on the little sled and stars. Down through the chimney with lots of toys. All for the little ones' Christmas joys. Up on the housetop, reindeer boys. Up down the little sled and stars. Down through the chimney with lots of toys. All for the little ones' Christmas joys. Have a tremendous holiday.
Oh my god, she hated that, didn't she?
No, she was
Oh, okay.
She would have
She's ready to bite it.
Hey, you know what time it is? It's Christmas time. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what's that? Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what's that?
No! Oh my god, what just happened? No! It's a madhouse here. Oh, okay. I thought she was getting all panicked.
If her tail goes between her legs, that's what she's
the bark is going to send it off.
Okay, we're all calm now. Well, yeah, that wasn't worth the,
going to keep staring at the tree now.
Oh, she's gonna think that real trees do that.
To sleep.
It's quite funny.
Oh. No! She's gonna take the whole snow scene down.
How do we turn it off? Is it?
I'll do it. I'll do it.
I'm glad I got that all on film.
She won't laugh.
He is cute though, the little... Does he have a little face? Or is he just like a
Yeah,
Is he supposed to be seen from just...
There is a face. I could
okay.
jack it up so his face is more at the front.
I like seeing his little bun, to be honest.
Like that. See?
Oh. Willow. I like a little wreath. Cute, isn't it? And your little Santa. Comb, is it? Oh, just whacked you on the nose, sorry. Ooh. Smells lovely. Oh, I've always liked that picture. The cows. Oh, wow. Aww. This is their lovely tree. That's some creepy snowman. Jesus, that is petrifying. This is their lovely little flat. She's got string light all the way around the entire room. How cute's that? So Willow's a model, apparently. God, yeah. That's so good. Like, you should be the one charging people to take pictures. Get her to be, is that a thing? Like, to be a dog model? Do you want to be a dog model, Willow? Look. That's something you'd see on Google Images, typing in, like, Whippet or Azawaka. Like, that would come up. Oh, look at you. You can show that to all the boys or girls that come over. Look at me and my legs. Or when she's like old and wrinkly, she can be like, this was me back in the day. Pretty little princess, that's what you are. Is she really good, like, taking pictures?
Oh yeah.
Introducing Willow, the Azawaka Whippet. Willow! Willow! Oh! She's like, what? What? Oh! So she's gonna... It's like a massive sleeping bag.
I know. We've had a word tonight.
She needs to be warm, doesn't she? Isn't that part of her breed?
She's so slim.
She's supposed to be in the desert, isn't she?
Yeah.
And she's in the UK, probably the coldest place you could ever pick. That is so cute. She's gotten so big. I'll have to compare it to when I first filmed her. Oh, she's got little... Where? Oh my god, she's actually a baby. 1 week, is that? That's her now. Wait, is that actually her now?
So whenever that was last.
That doesn't seem tall enough though. Wait, where do you measure it?
Back of her neck.
Back of her neck?
The tallest bit. Not her head, but her neck.
Oh, okay. Oh, look, down there, that's crazy.
She was tiny.
Now look at you. Oh, you're so cute. Just standing there. Aren't you lovely? What do you think of this camera then? Turn that down. How do I turn down the music? Willow, do you? Oh, there we go. So it's absolutely pouring it down out there, as you can probably tell. I'm staying in the car looking after little Willow here, who keeps whining for Vicky. Don't you, Willow? You keep whining for Vicky. But Vicky's gone into Tesco to... It's okay. She'll be back in a second. She's going to get some pizzas. She's going to get some pizza for everyone to enjoy for din-dins tonight. There's a motorbike going past. Hello. So that's the situation. So it's a little motorbike, isn't it? Oh, it's horrible weather. I don't think anyone's going to want to come out and see us anymore. You know when it's like bad weather and it makes you not want to go out? I hope that's not how people feel. I think there's only a couple of us. But I think we're just going to play games, have some fun and chill, and I think Vicky's just going to get like a couple of large pizzas or something. Oh, it's not focusing, it's focusing on the rain. Hey!
Have you seen the tyres? It's quite clever. They painted the tyres green.
Ah, the tyres! Oh, sorry. Is that actual tyre? Is it like car shop?
Yeah, tyres.
Let it slow, let it slow. This is homemade slow gin, picked by yours truly. Well, not me, him. I hope you washed those slows. Oh, it smells really good.
Of course it is. What'd you expect?
What's the percentage?
The gin was made from juniper, the berry.
I thought you were going to say something horrible as I was swallowing it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's really good. Do you know who likes this?
You're the first one to try.
Lorna likes your slow gin.
Yeah.
Do you want some?
What's going on?
Ooh,
Is that your
slow gin. This is Kate. Hello. Dear Santa. I tried. That's funny. I'm sure I remember doing that last year. In this exact same spot.
Said too much of this.
I've had one sip. Yeah, it's really strong. I think it's nice.
It does remind me of cough medicine.
Well done, Dad. How much are you selling them? Quick, promote yourself.
Frank Slow Gin. It's selling fast though. That could be the slogan.
Is it a pound a sip?
A pound a sip. So that's like 25 quid.
Probably. That one. How much did you pay for this one when you bought it last?
He basically reused a Gordon's gin bottle. Well, that was actually on offer, but it was still £16 on offer. So I think it was like almost 20 quid.
Matches your hair.
Yeah, I'll be your model for it. Drink slow gin.
It makes your hair go red.
Makes your hair go red.
Is there echo in it?
And then just watch all the complaints as no one's hair turns red.
Oh, not dandruff. You listening?
Yeah, I'm listening.
You're big.
As soon as you know the answer, it don't matter if she's finished or not.
You
press it.
have to press it as well.
Is everyone ready?
Yeah.
Can you give me another word for a man? Oh my god.
A male.
Oh,
Don't press the
yeah.
How many times did we tell you press the bloody button?
That finger's a bit.
Friendly brothers and sisters.
Name something little boys want to be when they grow up.
Policeman.
Leslie, you're giggling over there.
No,
Oh.
they
Oh, it's just me and you. And she that bit rubbish.
Why is it little boys, not just boys?
don't. Nice, isn't it?
Because they are little and they're boys.
I know who.
I know what this one is.
Shh. I think Dad's just floating in the middle of two teams, to be honest.
Pass it.
What year was this?
Distributed.
This is so easy.
Who's reading it out?
Currently recording right
This
now.
is well easy.
Is it?
You ready?
Yeah.
Name something that is good for your teeth.
Okay, sorry.
Toothbrush.
Toothbrush.
Can I go?
No, that's not right.
It's not on there.
Something was
Think of
what?
something
So what
else.
happens now?
So Holly has to answer.
Toothpaste.
Well done. top answer.
Well, you said.
This is
Mr. Logman.
Floss.
Floss. Yep.
Mouthwash.
Well, what was that?
Oh, hello.
What else do you do with the teeth?
Something was good for them.
Fruit.
Oh my goodness, it's bedtime now. I've had such a good evening. We were just chilling, playing games. I can't really remember how much I filmed, but it was really nice to go to my sister's flat and see all the lovely things that she's done with it, and also get to hang out with Willow. That was really nice. I hope you enjoyed the video today. I've actually been kind of doing some brainstorming and research because I've got a lot of new resolutions this year. I didn't actually have many last year, but I've got quite a lot for next year, and a lot of the ones I've got for next year are like a lot to do with like appearance. I've for so many years wanted to get a piercing. I want to get a facial piercing. I kind of want to get my labret done. I want to get a tattoo done as well. Finally, like, I don't know why I just don't just hurry up and do it. I mean, because it's permanent, that's probably why. Piercing's easier because it's not as permanent. But I want to go blonde, and I want to do something cool with the blonde as well. Like, I want to reach blonde, and then I want to do something cool with it. I want to know your thoughts, so let me know. Anyway, I'm off to bed. I'm so tired. It's once again, it's 3:30 in the morning. I need to stop making this a habit. It's because I was trying to get Vlogmas out there. So thanks for watching, everyone. I will see you tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified every time I make a brand new video. I'm on social media such as Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and I have a Patreon account if you want to support me on that. Thank you, everyone, and I'll see you tomorrow.